Hello friends, in the video nama how to convert the given expression from pre-order to post-order. So that is the question here. This is the often repeated question in NET exam. So let us see the steps one by one how to convert the given question which is in pre-order to convert into post-order. So initially what is the step we have to do is first arrange the given numbers in ascending order. So that is with the given number which is in pre-order, which when it is arranged it will become an in order. So now let us arrange the number in ascending order so that we'll get the numbers in the pre-order. So just you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So that is the first step, A to Z. You arrange the number in the ascending order. So let us arrange and write. So now the numbers are, it starts from 10 and then 15 and then 20, 23, 25, 30, 35, 39 and then finally 42. Then count the numbers in it from the starting step itself. Keep on counting the numbers so that we don't leave anything. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers are there. So now this is the in order notation. So once it is arranged in ascending order, that is called as an in order notation. So now let us, this is the in order. Okay, so now let us now go to the next step, which is the drawing the tree. So how to draw the tree? So now let us draw the tree. So how to draw the tree? For that we have to find the root and we have to find the children. So that is the way we can find the tree. So first we have to find the root. So how to find the root? First you have to go to this option, which is this is the first one. So that will be the root. So initially always check for the root in pre-order and check for the children in order. That is the steps. Okay, so now we have to find out the root. So root is, now this is in the pre-order for the root, which is 30. So you have to draw the tree. So you have to start the root as 30. So 30 is the root. Let us start with the tree. So once you fix the root, you find out the location of this number in the arranged order, which is the in order. So now find out the location. So now we have two subtrees. One is left and this is the right subtree. So these components are going to find the left subtree and these components are going to form the right subtree. Okay, now I need the next left. Next I have to draw the tree down the branch. So how to get the next node? You have to find out from the given order, pre-order. So now next one is the 20. That is the next node. So that will be the root. So I have drawn this next as a root, which is 20. Then find the location of this. So for this whole thing, this is the root now. Now the tree shortens. So this is the left tree and this is the right tree. Okay, so here in the left tree 10 and 15 will come. In the right tree 23 and 25 will come. Again I have to find out what is the next root. So root has to be found out from this pre-order. So now the root is, again it is, because we are going on it, because everything is in the left side, we are going to the leftwards. Once we complete this left, we will go to the right subtree. Okay, now this is the next sub node, which is 10. And then find the position here. This is the position on the in order. Now we can see that there is no left tree, which is nil, and the right tree is only 15. Okay, so now we can just make this as an, because there is no more entries, you can stop here and we can make as a right entry. So here the right entry is actually 15. So I have drawn the right entry. So here also we can see to the 10, right is 15. So now this also we have completed. Okay. So now coming to this right part of this equation, now this tree has to be constructed. Then to 20 we have to find out what is the, among this 23 and 25, what is the root. So go to the pre-order. So these are all over. We have drawn all these things, everything is over, and this is the one starting now which is left out. So this is the root. So this is the, so draw this as a root. So this is the root 25. So once you make this 25 as the root, you have to find out the position of this 25 here. So 25 is here, and we can see that 23 is left to 25. So we have to draw the tree here as left is 23. And that's all. Here the tree is over, because 30 is the starting root, and we have find out all the subtrees, left subtrees, keeping in mind what about the root and the children. So this is over. Now we have to come to this part of this tree, which is the right part. So coming to the right part, we have to find out among these elements 35, 39 and 32, find out which is the root. So again go to the pre-order. So this 25, 23 is also over now. We are included in the left subtree. Now to the right subtree, coming to this section, this is left out, and we can see this is the element, and we have to find out what is the root. So first comes is the root. So 39 is the root. So you can make this as another subtree, which is 39. Then check from here, which is 39, which is the root, and what is the position of 35 and 42. To the left it is 35, to right it is 42. So complete the tree as this is 35 and this is 42. Now the tree is drawn for an in order. This is the actually in order tree. We have drawn the in order tree for the given equation. Now from this I have to find the post order. So how to find the post order? Always you have to start from the root, go down the left, and there is no more left, and then you have to go to the right and then the root. So the format is left, right, and then the node, which is the root node. So how to make the traversal? Start from here, 30, that is the root, go down, this is also a root, then come down, this is also a root, and then you have to go to the right. So there is no left is dummy here. Okay, so we have to can start only from the right. So 15 is the first element, comma, and then this left and this right is over, and this is the root node. So write the 10. After this is the left, then go to the right, but the right is still, there are elements are there, so go till to the left. So here this is left and there is nil in the right. Okay, so we have to get to this 23 and there is nothing in the right side, so go to the root node, which is 25. Now this 25, taking this as the branch, 10 is over, 25 is over, which is left is over, right is over, go to root. Root here is 20. Now coming to this is the left side is over, then I have to go to the right side. So this root now we will not consider because the format is left, then right, then node. So this left is over. Now go to the right tree. When you start from the right subtree, here again it is a node only because some children are there. So go to the left, always to the left first. So go to the left 35. There is no more left or right. So this is the final left. So we can make it as 35 is the final left. Okay, and now left, right, node, that is the procedure. Okay, so now 35 is the left, and now 42 is the right, and now 39 is the root. Now here all this left is over, all this right is over. What is left out? The root, which is 30. So this is how the conversion from pre-order, then from the conversion from the pre-order to the post-order. So the steps are initially arrange the value into ascending order, so that is the in order, and then finally we can just out the post-order by checking the pre-order in the root, and then we have to check for the children in the in order. So finally we have got the answer. So this is the final answer. This is the post order conversion of the given in order, given pre-order expression. Hope this will be clear to you, and thanks for watching.